In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, Down syndrome is a genetic disorder which is caused by trisomy of chromosome 21, resulting in characteristic physical and cognitive features. Thus, A matches with 3. Alpha thalassemia results from the mutations in two closely linked genes on chromosome 16 from each parent, reducing alpha globulin production. Thus, B matches with 4. In beta thalassemia, which is caused by mutations in a single HBB gene on chromosome 11 from each parent, that is, autosomal recessive, affecting beta globin synthesis. So, C matches with 1. And Klinefelter syndrome occurs due to the presence of an extra X chromosome, that is 47XXY, affecting male physical and reproductive development. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option A.